Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into a useful little adverb that adds clarity to many sentences. Today's word is across. Across means from one side to the other side. So, when you say something like walk across the street, you're describing a movement from one side of the street to the other. Let's look at a few synonyms that help paint the same picture. Instead of across, you might say over or through. For example, he swam over the river, or she ran through the field. These words are similar, yet each has a slightly different feel. Over can suggest going above or crossing a specific point, while through often means moving within a space or area. Now, what about antonyms? For across, think of words like alongside or beside, which keep you on one side without crossing to the other. So instead of walking across the park, if you walk alongside the park, you stay on one side, not going over to the other side. In everyday life, across can pop up in many conversations. You might say, I need to get across town by 3 p.m., or she looked across the room and spotted her friend. These examples show how across gives a clear sense of direction and movement. Let's look at a few more examples in sentences. They traveled across the country in 2 weeks, and he threw the ball across the field. To sum up, across is a great way to express movement or a position that covers or connects two sides, making it perfect for describing directions or distances. Thanks for joining me on today's exploration of the word across. Don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word, leave a review, and help others find the show. And here's a challenge for you. Try using across in your own sentence and share it in the comments. I'm looking forward to seeing your creative examples. Until next time.